BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good afternoon, welcome to BTP. Michael Jenkin here, Director of BTP. Today we're having a chat with Bill. Bill is on our engineering helpdesk team, so if you've ever called BTP, you've probably spoken to Bill. Many years of experience in IT, so let's just have a chat with him, shall we? Just flick the camera. Bill, how are you today?
Good afternoon, Michael. I'm going great.
Great, okay, fantastic. Look, you've been in IT for a long time now. Would you mind telling us a bit about your background?
Yeah, I started off with database management. I worked as a database administrator and a systems analyst, and then moved into infrastructure, where I've worked as both a trainer and a implementer, systems architect, as well as doing general help desk support, which is what I do today. I enjoy the opportunity to work with people, and I really enjoy the human factor of what we're doing here at BTP.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's really cool. Okay. Look, with everything that you see going on day to day, what's the number one thing you can tell customers that they need to do?
Well, I think the number one thing we need to understand is computers are complex. It's not easy to use a computer. People just expect them up to pick them up and run with them and just work with them. And sometimes people do a great job of making systems intuitive, but really they are incredibly complex, and people need to understand that not everyone can understand how to do things straight away first time, and walking people through how to do things and understanding what's going on underneath the covers is a big part of what we have to do. Because unless people understand what they're doing, it's all like magic to them, and they don't understand how things work and how to get the best out of what they're doing for their business.
Absolutely, the magic in the box. Nobody understands the magic in the box. So at BTP, we write procedures, we write documents, we try and take people through these things. If you need training, need to discuss it with somebody, give us a call. As always, BTP, we're here ready listening for your calls. We have a help desk team here. Bill's on the engineering team there, many years of experience, so let's use that experience. Give us a call. As always, have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow.